Everyone's lining up to see it.
Good morning, everyone. I haven't picked up a camera in a hot second. I wasn't in my Zoom, so I apologize. There were so many things I could have filmed. I graduated. I went to Puerto Rico. I just did a whole bunch of things that I could have vlogged, so I do apologize. But this vlog, I got married. So this is what the vlog is about. Aiden and I decided, finally, to come up with, a vacation honeymoon that we're gonna be doing. So instead of us taking a honeymoon, immediately, we weren't sure what we were doing. I just been feeling oh my gosh, I need a vacation, soon. I'm just getting, irritated with work. I'm back in school. And I was like, you know what? This is the perfect time. We're gonna go to Colorado. This vlog is just gonna be not us. I'm gonna be packing. I'm gonna try to get all of our things into one suitcase, but I think we're gonna need two because we have big things that we have to pack. This basically has most of our clothes in right now, but then I look here and we still have all of our pajamas that we have to put up there. So this is going to be a struggle, not gonna lie. Let me get my energy drink, because then after I'm done packing, I'm gonna crank out homework because I don't want to worry about homework all this week. I got my Celsius. Now, my cat just needs to get off my suitcase. So this is my side packed. Technically, this is Aiden's side packed, but all of that over there needs to also come in here. So I just need to refold it where you see how it's rolled up like that. I just need to fold it like that and then we'll be good. Okay, so I know I personally don't lift a lot, but I'm pretty sure this is overweight. I'm gonna have to double check the weight requirements, but I'm pretty sure that's over, and I need to see if it's cheaper to just check in 2 bags or if it's cheaper to just pay for the extra weight, because this, I had to expand it all the way around so then it would fit comfortably, and then these didn't fit in here. This is his skiing socks, so he's gonna have to put those in his carry-on. But yeah, that's probably overweight, but we'll see. I'm gonna look that up right now. It has to be 50 pounds, 62 inches when you add the length, width, and height. Is that a 62 inch? Okay, I have to look up the bag. That's packed. I realized all the clothes that Aiden had stacked up here, he had a pair of pajamas for every single day. I'm like, dude, first of all, he doesn't even sleep with a shirt on, so I don't know why he's packing shirts. So I took those out. I said, you can get 3 pairs of pants and a shirt, because that's kind of, do you not wear pajama pants? You know what I mean? Is that only me? I don't know. I may be weird with that, but I don't think you needed 15 pairs of pajamas. So that's all packed. Let's get started on my homework because that's actually due today and I have yet to start. Okay, hey everyone. It is a different day, but I'm starting to pack up my carry-on. I got it from TJ Maxx. Period. I did have a bag that already had my travel stuff in it. And I have no idea where it's at. Well, here's a makeup bag. Oh, it's all in here. I have CeraVe lotion and moisturizer. Then I have sunscreen. Then this is my body lotion. This is body wash, but I also use just the body wash that's there at the hotel. My Valentino perfume. These two smell really good together. I think for makeup wise, I'm just gonna do like natural makeup. I do want to do my makeup every single day, but it's just gonna be basic. I don't think I'm gonna do too much. The eyeshadow palette that I'm bringing is Master Palette by Mario, Juvia's Place, the Lancome mascara, e.l.f. eyeliner, Benefit, eyebrow pencil, eyelash curler, and tweezers. I just got a PR package of more Smashbox stuff, and I just want to try these two together. Huda Beauty brightening translucent powder, but I also need to bring my face powder, and everything else I'll just do a video on. So now this is completely full. This is my electronics case. I need to still use my computer for school, so that's gonna be a little bit harder for me to pack up right now. What else? Charger, my phone chargers. Yeah. So I guess I'm done with my carry-on. That was pretty easy. We are traveling, and well, technically today's over. So in one day we'll be traveling, and so I'm really, really excited. I feel like it's well deserved. Okay, so Aiden and I, we made it to our hotel. Let me give a little tour real quick. Here's the front door, the Kingdom of Breckenridge. And then there's a kitchen. It's a studio, couch, TV at angles all around, bed, and then bathroom, toilet, shower. And
this place is adorable, I love it.
And we can see the mountains from here, and there's a little lake. You want to do a fit check? You're supposed to say where your outfit's from.
Oh, this is from American Eagle. These Denizen jeans. I don't know. Mm-hmm. This is a belt I've worn since high school. The socks are Puma brand. Got these while we were in New Orleans. And then the shoes are Asics, courtesy of Diggs.
Okay.
And my main man, Calvin Klein.
Okay, no. This is from Aeropostale. I got this in middle school, and it's actually the Bethany Moda one.
Okay.
Yeah. Then this is from Forever 21. And this is from TikTok Shop.
Is that a full bodysuit?
It is a full bodysuit, and it even has the handholds.
Oh, nice.
And actually, it's like all the way, like, legs.
Okay.
And then these are American Eagle pants. And then my Heat Locker socks. The shoes that I will be wearing are my Timbs, and my hat is from Amazon. Okay, good morning. This is our second day here. I did not film a lot. I filmed a little bit on my phone, might make a TikTok video. But we went out last night, and we're not drinking for the rest of the week. I still feel shaky. I need food. But, yeah, that was a struggle. But here's my outfit. Here, I'll do a little OOTD. So this, I don't know exactly where it's from. I think I either took this from my mom or she gave it to me. This is from American Eagle. These are from Target. This is from Hollister. And then I'm wearing my Timbs again. It and I are matching. But you'll have to see that on my TikTok video that I make. We're about to head to breakfast. It's an 8-minute walk. I'm starving. Literally. What? I'm sorry. I messed up. Thank you. It's gonna look so cute. It's so beautiful here.
I think the air is a lot fresher.
Yeah.
Occasion like this.
I know.
First time we've ever went to cold.
I know. Would I do it again? Probably. You know what I mean?
I mean, I think you're gonna have a lot of. Let's just ski.
We're at Starbucks. The only reason why we're at Starbucks is because we had gift cards and we wanted to use those up while we were here. And so Aiden's right now ordering me a cinnamon dulce latte, and he's gonna get the gingerbread one. I'm pretty excited to be here. It's kind of cold, like pretty cold, but I'm enjoying my time here.
This top I got free for my school IUPUI, represent Hoosiers. Coat is Guess from TJ Maxx. Shirt is the American Eagle.
Hollister.
Hollister. Mm-hmm. Oh, Hollister. Jeans are Denizen. I never know where I get these from because I have like 3 pairs of them. Belts from Primark to Chicago, and boots are original Justin work boots that I got from a Tractor Supply store.
So this beanie, same one from earlier, Amazon, my Bethany Moda scarf. This is from Aeropostale. Oh my gosh, we're representing Aeropostale today. This is from Hollister, and this is from American Eagle. These are Gymshark socks, and my Timbs, and then my gloves from some random shop outside of our hotel.
Which I'm also going to wear.
So, that's the fit. We're about to head to breakfast, and I love vlogging in public. So, I'm unfortunately gonna have to leave you guys here. So, bye! Okay, so we have made it to the Burro Trail. Do not step on any ice other than the path that has ice on it, okay? Because I'm not going to save you. So we made it. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful it is. I know.
Which way do we go? This way?
I think it's up. There should be like more signs though pointing the right direction. We made it through. We didn't do the full 6 miles just because I wasn't really down for that. But it was nice. I enjoyed myself. How would you rate that trail?
I mean, I don't really go on trails that much, but it's like a 8 out of 10.
Cool.
I mean, it's a 10 out of 10. I don't really have a frame of reference.
So beautiful.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining